So here we do varicose veins. We do a lot of work with varicose veins and spider veins. And this time of the year is an excellent time to be getting this done. One, because people are wearing pants and things like that. So you come in and get your spider veins done or the varicose veins treated. And we have some of the highest technology in the entire area for that. We have the most up-to-date lasers for taking off the spider veins and the most up-to-date laser for the varicose veins as well. It's a very, very common problem. Our success rates and all of the things that we've done is been proven over and over again. We're the best in the area dealing with the veins of any nature and anywhere in the body here at Lux Laser. So this is an excellent time to be looking into getting the veins done at the end of the year. A lot of insurance deductibles have been met. And so therefore we can do a lot of the varicose vein work and just bill that to the insurance, and they don't have to pay their deductibles. So the end of the year is always the best time to get this done. And we do a lot of that here. Varicose veins, some people will look down at their legs and go, oh, I have ugly legs, or I have these ugly spider veins or varicose veins, but I'm just going to deal with it. Well, it's a little more complex than that. A lot of times this is going to lead to substantial health problems down the road. They are much higher risk for getting blood clots in their legs, and people that are much higher risk to get blood clots in their legs also throw what we call pulmonary emboli, or blood clots to the lungs, which people know a lot about, and that can be fatal. So you want to get these treated. The blood is very stagnant in these people, and you need to get that treated in order to decrease the risk of getting blood clots in their legs and fatal, what we call pulmonary emboli. There's a lot of other problems that are associated with varicose veins and venous insufficiency. People can get skin changes in their legs, and it can get really brown. They can get ulcers. It becomes a substantial health problem to the point where people can't walk. So it is better to do this early on than wait a long time just because it looks ugly. That's not the only thing there. There is a health risk there, and you have to address that, and the earlier the better. When you have children, it will bring out the underlying venous insufficiency. It'll just show a little bit earlier. So we get a number of people in their 20s with varicose veins and bad spider veins that we have to treat. And those are great because they're not going to lead into the problems down the road of being a much higher risk for blood clots and some other things. When there's less that you have to deal with, then it's going to be a lot simpler to do it early on than it is to wait to the end stages where there's going to be a lot of lasering on multiple different areas. When you can just do one varicose vein, and you can sometimes eliminate the possibilities of people getting spider veins or the bigger veins in the future ever. So because then you have to treat all those at the same time. So it's better to do it early than it is to wait late. But then again, we still do a lot of people that have waited a really long time and have very good success rates with that as well. Much better to take care of it early, and like I said, at the end of the year when your insurance deductibles are met is the best time to do it.